Hey YouTube, it's your girl Ashley and welcome back to my channel. Wait, let me rewind this real quick. Hey YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Ashley and I am back on YouTube. I am back on YouTube after a very long, super long, extended break. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna be calling this my reintroduction to YouTube, or my YouTube comeback, or I don't really know how I'm gonna name it yet, but y'all will see the title on the bottom when I decide. But yes, I am officially returning back to YouTube in 2020 and I am so excited. So I just wanted to come on here and kind of reintroduce myself and tell you guys what you can expect from my channel. I feel really bad that I've left you guys hanging for so long, because I did see that I was getting subscribers, but I wasn't giving my subscribers any content, and so I sincerely apologize for that. I got really into my head when I started YouTube a few years ago. I think I started doing my YouTube videos back, I first started doing YouTube I think back in 2013, and then I started back again in 2015, 2016, and then fell off since then. And I think it was because I was so concerned and interested in like my analytics, on my numbers, on my subscribers and my viewers, which is not a bad thing, but I think I just got a little bit too consumed with that stuff and I lost sight of the subscribers and the viewers that I had, and instead I was more concerned about the subscribers and the viewers that I didn't have, and I felt like I just left the subscribers that I had hanging. So I do truly apologize, but your girl is back. Your girl is back and I'm super pumped and super motivated and so excited to get back out there. Now I just want to say, if you are somebody who has been watching people's videos for a long time and have been thinking,
I want to do YouTube, I think I should make a channel, I think I should do this,
I'm here to tell you to go ahead and do it, boo. Don't let nothing stop you. Don't let fear, don't let anything like that stop you. There are people who are getting subscribers every single day. People are looking for people to watch. People want relatable people. People want people who look like them, who act like them. People just want to see relatable people on the internet, and I know I personally like that. So if that is something you guys want to do, go ahead and do it. Don't let anything stop you. Don't be like me and get sucked into all the crazy stuff. Just go ahead and make a channel. There are so many videos out there teaching you how you can make your own channel, how to make thumbnails, how to make intros, how to edit your videos, all that kind of stuff. All that stuff is out there for you guys to learn, and you don't even need fancy equipment. Lots of people are recording off of their cell phones, and cell phones these days are pretty high tech and expensive, so you have equipment that you can already use. So just go ahead and do it. Just use what you have and just go out there and start it. I wish I was taking this advice months and years ago when I first started, and I wish I just stuck to it and stayed consistent, but that was kind of my downfall. I just didn't stay consistent, so I'm gonna try really hard to stay consistent this time. But if it's something that you guys want to do, just go ahead and do it. So as usual, your girl is going to be bringing plus size content, so whether that's fashion, hygiene, relationships, anything related to being a big beautiful woman. I'm also gonna have beauty content, of course, because I love anything beauty related, skincare videos, makeup videos, all that stuff. And I'm also gonna have vlogs and incorporate my family more into my videos. Also, I am married and I have a 4-year-old daughter, so I definitely want to incorporate them in my videos more and do like mommy videos and mommy vlogs and stuff like that. I also want to do cooking and advice videos and chit chats and kind of just everything. So I think I'm just gonna classify my channel as a lifestyle channel at this point, because I'm not really sticking to one thing. I'm gonna be doing multiple things. So if you guys are interested in that, then definitely stay tuned and make sure you guys are subscribed, and be sure to hit the bell too so you guys know when I have an upload. And yeah, I just wanted to come out here and just kind of reintroduce myself, just like an intro video. Hey, what's up, boo? What's up, girl? And if I have any gentlemen watching my videos, I see you. So yes, I have been wanting to get back into YouTube for such a long time, but I don't know, something like it's fear has been holding me back, and I don't even really know what I'm scared of. I don't know if I'm scared of failing. I don't know if I'm scared of not getting views or subscribers. I don't know what it is that I'm truly scared of. I don't know if it's fear that I'm going to fail or fear that I'm going to do really well. I don't know what it is, but I've just been so like stuck in my head about this whole YouTube thing and getting back out there. And you know, I've seen channels blow up like crazy overnight. I've seen people that I started off doing YouTube with, their channels take off, and I'm just like, oh my god, that could have been me too. Like, why am I so scared to just put myself back out there? Like, it's not all about the views and the subscribers and the money and the free stuff and all that crazy stuff. I just want to share content because I just like to share content. I like talking to myself. I like talking to a camera. I just love that kind of stuff, and that's why I really wanted to do YouTube in the first place. But I did get kind of caught up in all of the business side of it, and I let myself down and I let my channel down, and I'm truly sorry for anybody who I left hanging. If you enjoyed watching my content, I'm truly sorry. I have been pretty active on my other social medias, so like Instagram, Snapchat and stuff. So you guys aren't following me there, definitely follow me on those platforms, and I will leave my handles up on the screen. But yes, your girl is back and I'm so excited. Your girl got a new camera, so she's feeling all nice and high-tech. I got a new camera, I have a ring light, I have everything set up, and I'm just so excited to get back out there. So if there are any specific type of content you guys want to see from me, then be sure to leave those down below. Giving you guys a little sneak peek, I have skincare videos coming on. I have a Fashion Nova and Shein plus size haul coming up, and I have vlogs coming up, and I'm super excited about it. So yes, I'll be excited, be pumped, because I know I am, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.